Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel, and today we're testing the Amazon Basics Snowfoam Lance. So, last month we needed a Snowfoam Lance, and we found this one for around £17. So we thought for £17 we may as well try it, we've been using it on the van ever since, and then now we're just going to review it. So a few features of the Snowfoam Lance before we get started. So the actual bottle has got a metal top on it. So we have had a few bottles in the past which are just plastic, which are fine, but when using them every day, they do get worn very quick. But this one's metal, so we're hoping that this one lasts a bit longer. It might be a bit more durable. Also, some of the features that come, as standard on it is the quick release end on there. You don't have to buy that actual end; it comes on there, which fits nicely with our quick release hoses that we've got. So yeah, and then it's got all the usual features of the adjustable nozzle, and then the adjustable top, so you can adjust how thick your foam is as well. So I'll go ahead and fill this up with snow foam, and then we'll see how it performs. Okay, so I've filled the snow foam up now. We've just cleaned the wheels, so we don't have to film that. Let's see how it joins in. So it goes in quite nicely, and it's pretty sturdy. So let's see how thick it is. We're not really bothered about sort of the product inside and how that performs. It's more of a case of using this and see whether it actually works. Snowfoam on, it's gone on really well. The adjustable nozzle, it does go quite wide. Not that we do use it on really wide, but for lorries and things, it'll be nice to get that wider angle. I put it on sort of a quite thin angle, and it's gone on quite well and quite thick. So I'll leave that to do its thing, and then we'll come back I'll show you where you can get it from and all my thoughts. Okay, so that's the car all rinsed off and like fully washed and then dried. So yeah, well, we've just tried the Amazon Basic Snowfoam Lance. So my thoughts on this, well, for the price that we paid, £17, yeah, it's really good value for money, especially with this metal top on the screw of the bottleneck. Yeah, like I said before, we've had multiple snowfoam lances in over the past years, and yeah, they're great until the bottle goes, because that's basically one of the moving parts. You're always taking it off and putting it back on. So when it starts to sort of go, yeah, the bottle gets a bit loose. So hopefully, with this being metal, it'll last a lot longer. So I've just had a look, which I'll drop the link below anyway, but these have gone up. So in December, they were around £17, which what we got it for, but they've gone up to around 25. Still though, you still get free delivery, so I guess it's not too bad. And well, you get the added features. You don't have to buy the quick release end for that. So if you do have quick release on your snowfoam on your trigger, then yeah, it's literally just straight in, and you don't have to mess about changing that. And it's got the metal bottleneck as well. So yeah, all round, pretty good product, to be fair, compared to like the price compared to sort of like the other snowfoam lances that we've had in the past. Yeah, even at £25, the others are probably like £30–35, but you still get the plastic top on the bottle, and most of them aren't quick release. You either have to buy them extra, or they come with it and you have to pop that on. And I think most people now are going for the quick release because it's nice and easy, and yeah, it's a lot quicker to put your attachments on. So yeah, please let us know in the comments if you have tried this. It'd be interesting to see what else the Amazon Basic range do for the car care sort of community. So yeah, this is the first product we've sort of seen and tried. But yeah, if there's any more, then yeah, we might be inclined to try them as well, especially if they're at the lower price end, because yeah, that's basically what we want. The cheap the cheap price, but yeah, quality products. So we'll try and keep a report on how this is going, and yeah, we're going to use it on the van to sort of get the most out of it. So like I say, I'll pop the link below if you are interested in buying this, and I'll pop some links below of like different products we've used as well, just in case you're interested. And if you have any questions, you can pop them in the comments below. Yeah, we'll sort of try and help out as well. Cheers for watching, guys, and yeah, we'll see you next week for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!